If you're new to fly tying, this video is for you. We're going to be tying a brassy that only requires two materials. We'll start off with some flat black thread and attach that to our hook shank. Snap the excess free. Next, use some lead-free wire to prevent your bead from spinning. Helicopter free, move back up to the head of the fly and grab some brassy wire. This one in particular is in copper. Attach our brassy wire to the hook shank and wrap back towards the bend of the hook. We'll want to stop just before the hook shank starts to bend. Next, we'll move our thread back up the fly, creating a nice smooth base for our wire. Whip finish and move our thread off to the side. We'll wrap our brassy wire up the fly in closed spirals, so we don't want any of the underbody to show. If you have a rotating vise, it's much easier, but not necessary. We'll stop just before reaching the bead. Secure our wire by taking wraps both in front and behind, and then helicoptering the wire free. Next, we can grab some peacock curl. We're only going to use a single strand. Attach that to our exposed thread and wrap slightly onto our wire. Then we can hackle our peacock feather just behind the bead. Once complete, we will secure, taking wraps in front as well as behind the feather, and snapping the excess free. This is a quick, easy tie that is great for beginners, and it just so happens that fish love it too. If you don't feel like tying it, you can always visit my website and I'll be happy to send some your way. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next one.